it's Charlie and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing Squishies expectation versus reality. So I have seen this, it's been going around now for like a year or so, and I thought I would get right on it because I'm kind of late on the trend, but that's okay. And as you can see, I'm in yet a new location. I'm definitely going to keep this location because it is much better and the lighting is good and everything. So no more switching locations, guys, I promise. So anyways, and I was not the creator of this, so anyways, let's get into it. First is packaging, and this is expectation, so yeah. Hey guys, so I just got this Real Kuma Swiss roll, and as you can tell, it comes in very crisp packaging. And I'm probably gonna keep it this crisp, so I'm gonna just switch it really lightly for you guys. So yeah, this is very crisp packaging, like I just said. So I'm hoping this is gonna stay pretty crisp. So okay, guys, it's 2 months later, and this packaging is still as crisp as the day I got it. And I'm not surprised, because you know, I know how to take care of packaging. Okay guys, so I just got this Real Kuma Swiss roll, and it comes in pretty crisp packaging. I mean, I'm hoping it'll stay that way. So, yeah, but I'll see you guys in a little over a month to see if it's still crisp. So, guys, it's 2 months later, and the packaging to this Real Kuma Swiss roll is just so crinkled. I mean, it's just too good of a squishy to just not full on squish. Like, it's just such a nice squishy. I mean, like, really. So, yeah, here's my squishy. Next is size. Hey guys, so I just ordered a jumbo peach squishy off of eBay. It's not the iBloom peach because, you know, iBloom peaches are very expensive. But look at this, guys. I can't believe it. This is from eBay. This was only like $5. And look at it, you guys. It is so nice. Like, I mean, really. Hey guys, so I ordered a jumbo peach squishy off of like eBay because like an off-brand one, because iBloom is expensive. So yeah, I ordered a jumbo. Does this look jumbo to you guys? I don't think so. Like, really, do not ever order squishies off of eBay, because like I ordered a jumbo peach, and like this wouldn't even like. This is tiny, you guys. I don't know how come they call this jumbo, but like, this is tiny. So yeah, I don't know what's up, but next is defects. Hey guys, so I have had this Hebrew colossal bread squishy for like, I don't know, like a year, and it has no defects. You know, it's a pretty nice squishy, so like it doesn't get defects, so I definitely recommend this one. Hey guys, so I got this Hebrew colossal bread like a week ago, and like there are so many defects in it. Like, it's not even funny. Like, since it's a pretty nice squishy, I thought it wouldn't get defects, but like it totally does. Like, what? Like, that's just terrible. Hey guys, so I have this Poli heart macaron, And this was only, guys, listen to this. This was only $2. What? This was only $2, guys. And just look at how nice it is. Like, this is great. Hey guys, so I just ordered this Poli heart macaron, and you would think, you know, just a little squishy, maybe like for $3, something like that, you know, reasonable. This was $15. Like, no, it was like almost 20. Like with tax, it was almost $20. Like, really? Just for this, just little squishy? Like, that's crazy. Next is online shopping. Oh my gosh, this Squishy website is like so nice. All these Squishies are in stock. Like, really, I've never seen a website that all the Squishies are in stock. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna buy all of these. So nice. This website's nice. I mean, prices are a bit high, but like all the Squishies I want are in stock, like that jumbo marshmallow. I've always wanted that, and it's out of stock. Like, what? Really? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments, let us know if you have, like, I don't really know. You know, just let me know if you like the new background, and I promise, guys, it will not change. And anyways, bye!